Hello trader. Through this bot you can get our signals. Press the start button to activate the bot. Instructions will be a video training how to get access to signals and trade on them. In support, you can ask any question. Also, all buttons will be in the menu bottom. Click on registration and choose any broker. I will show on the example of a pocket option broker. We go registration. Enter your mail, password and click register. Click on the icon on the top right and copy your ID. Go to the bot and click on the button Check ID. Sending the copied ID to the bot message. Done. ID sent. Now need to wait for verification. Excellent. ID is in the base. You can refund your account. Go to the platform and refund your account in a convenient way. For quiet trading, I advise you to replenish your account from $50. After refilling again, copy ID. In the bot, open the main menu and click the Check ID button. Sending ID for verification. Excellent. Access is open. You got 3 links to our signals. Scalping signals for 1 minute. These signals only work on a broker on OTC currency pair. 5 to 10 signals per day. 85% performance. How to trade on signals. We are switching to a broker. Choose the currency pair for which the signal has come. We enter the amount. I advise no more than 3 to 5 of the deposit and the time of the transaction, concluding a deal up or down depending on the signal. Trading robot signals. Signals for one currency pair only. Suitable for all brokers. Looking for a currency pair EUR/USD. Transaction time 10 minutes. Transaction amount 3 to 5 of the deposit. Concluding a deal up or down on a signal. Signals for all traders. More than 300 signals daily from 30 Russian traders in one place. Trading differs only in the signal format. In the group, you can enable the translation of the text into any other language. To withdraw money, go to the Finance tab Withdrawal. Withdrawal is possible only there where the money is introduced from. We want you in the team. Have questions? Ask for support.